Unfortunately, Robinhood does not natively integrate with TradingView, meaning there's no direct connection or official feature that allows you to link the two platforms. However, you can still use both platforms together by following these steps. Use TradingView for market analysis. TradingView is a powerful charting and market analysis platform, allowing you to track stock prices, trends, and indicators. Create an account on TradingView, then search for the stocks or assets you want to track. Track stock prices on TradingView. Use TradingView's live charts and tools to analyze market data in real time. Add indicators, trend lines, and alerts to monitor the market conditions for the stocks you're interested in. Manually execute trades on Robinhood. After using TradingView to analyze the market, open your Robinhood app or website on another tab or device. Execute trades manually on Robinhood based on the insights you've gathered from TradingView. Use alerts and notifications. Set price alerts on TradingView to notify you when the stock hits a target price. You can then take action on Robinhood.